Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious chicken fingers from scratch. It is easy and very fast to cook and suitable for a children's party. This recipe is for 8 servings. Let's start off with preparing the oil for deep frying. Put the wok on the stove and switch on the heat to medium. Add 1 kg of cooking oil and wait for 8 to 10 minutes for the oil to heat up. Next, take 4 tablespoons or 40 grams of homemade crispy flour. Spread it evenly around the flat plate and put it aside as a dry flour for coating. Then, to make the wet flour batter, add 80 grams of the crispy flour in a mixing bowl. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and optionally, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder for a mild spice. Use a hand whisk to mix until it is well combined. Add 75 ml of water into the flour mixture and whisk. We add water bit by bit to ensure that the wet flour batter does not become too thin. Look, it is still very thick and quite difficult to whisk. Add another 25 ml of water and continue to whisk. Now it is perfect. The consistency is just right. See, it drops off slowly from the whisk. Leave it aside. Next, cut 430 grams of skinless chicken breast into long strips. Start by cutting a whole breast into half, and then vertically. Each strip should be about 3.5 to 4 inches long and 1/2 inch thick. Place it in a bowl and continue to cut until completed. Alright, put them all in the bowl together. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt on the chicken strips and rub them well to marinate evenly. Crack an egg over the chicken and mix them well until combined. Now, pour all the chicken strips into the flour batter. Mix again until they are all well coated with the wet flour batter. Test the oil by submerging wooden cooking chopstick. If it is ready, bubble will form at the tip. Just before frying them, take 1 chicken strip out from the bowl at a time and coat it with the dry crispy flour on the plate. Ensure that every surface is coated with the dry crispy flour. Then carefully transfer them one by one into the hot oil. Once done, continue coating the chicken strips in dry crispy flour and adding them to the empty space in the wok. Alright, all the spaces in the wok have been filled. The rest of the chicken strips will be added in the next batch. Fry all of them for 8 to 10 minutes over medium heat or until crispy and golden brown. Turn and rotate the chicken fingers to cook them evenly. After 8 minutes, they look so crispy and golden brown. Remove them from the hot oil with a wide strainer, shaking them a little to remove the excess oil. Place them on a cooling rack to drip off more oil. Use a small strainer to pick up and remove any flour droplets or chicken pieces left in the oil. This prevents the oil from getting a burnt taste. Cook the second batch of chicken, shaking off the excess wet flour batter, coating each strip with dry crispy flour, and carefully submerging it in the hot oil. Repeat until there is no more space in the wok. Fry them for 8 minutes. Turn and rotating them for an even cooking or until crispy and golden brown. Alright, all done. Pick up the chicken fingers with the strainer, shaking gently to remove the excess oil. Add them together with the first batch on the cooling rack. Switch off the heat and we are done. I recommend serving it immediately after cooking to best enjoy the crispy and tender chicken fingers. Let's eat! So delicious! The batter is thin and crisp, while the chicken is tender and tasty with a hint of pepper. So good on its own, and even better with Thai chicken chili sauce. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!